The renovation here has been going on for the last 9 months, and I'm really pleased to say that we're almost finished. As you can see behind me, we've got a brand new door that's been installed, we've got a brand new retaining structure, there's a new cap been added to the dome, and we have finally repaired the large structural crack that was inside the building. So the mound has now been put back over the ice house, as you can see, and it's still quite bare at the moment. It's got to regrow, so it's all been seeded, and now we've just got to wait for the rain and the sun to work its magic and it to start sprouting. We've got a little bit of landscaping work still to finish, a little bit more soil to move.
It's so exciting to be able to be here and to open this ice house today. It's so exciting for our district of Blaby and will form part of our tourism plan.
Really looking forward to welcoming schools and people to come and have a look around the ice house. You can now book a tour on the Visit Blaby website and we'll show you inside, and you can learn a bit more about the park itself.